Cerro Tres Kandú towers 2,762 feet, 842 meters, above the town of General Eugenio A. Garay, enticing those who want to scale Paraguay's highest peak. Also known as Cerro Peró, hikers trudge to the top via its 3.4-mile out and back trail. Mostly cut through forests, the trail offers plenty of shade and 2 viewpoints to admire the surrounding fields. It takes approximately 1.5 hours to reach the top, with the first 30 minutes being an easy walk on a rolling path. After that, the trail gets increasingly harder. In some sections, hikers have to scramble over rough terrain using installed ropes and walk along wooden ledges. Though rated as difficult, the trail is a popular weekend activity and can get crowded with local hikers. Camping is available near the trailhead, for the equivalent of $10 a night, and recommended if you want to get an early start. Note that there's a small fee to go up the hill, which is collected by an attendant near the trailhead.